Okay, palakpakan naman natin mula si Ate Tasha. Okay. But before that, may I request everybody hats and make sure you all hello and jolly greetings to everyone. Today we celebrate Tasha's fifth birthday here at Jollibee Biakito Drive-Thru. I'm your party host, Kuya Dan, and together with me is Ate Jessie and Ate April. Okay, together, we will explore Jollytown Theme Park, play games, storytelling, and eat our Jollibee's favorite. We will realize that discovering, learning, and playing with friends can be fun and temporary close ka lang nila nanay. At this time, sa Jollibee, bida ang saya! Happy birthday, Tasha! Again, at this time, sa Jollibee, bida ang saya!
Happy birthday, Tasha!
Happy birthday, Tasha! The party has just started to boost your excitement and another experience that we prepared for you. So, kids, toes, head, shoulder. So, may mga lagi na ito ang tuhod. Head, shoulder, eyes, nose. Very good! Very good! Very good! Alright. Hello, happy meeting with our birthday celebrator. Wow, haba ng hair. Haba ng hair ni Hetty ah. Meeting with our birthday girl, Hetty. This is Tasha. And Hetty, ito si Hetty. Ay, gano'n si Honey. Hetty, ano gano'n si Honey? Okay. Okay, next. Jollibee! Okay. Hello, Jollibee. I see that you have a gift para sa ating birthday girl. I see that you have a special gift para sa atin. Sabi mo nang ibigay sa kanya, Jollibee. Ayan. Palakpakan naman natin si Jollibee. Para kay Tasha. Una, go!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Okay guys, first thing. Happy birthday. Hey, hey.
Mami, balik ba yan? Matuto kita siya lang mag-gift. Siya, ali pa siya. Ang gift na.